Trucks for kids. 20 types of trucks. Truck. A truck is a motor vehicle used to transport goods and heavy materials efficiently and quickly. It plays an important role in transportation, construction, and daily commercial activities. Food truck. A food truck is a vehicle designed as a mobile kitchen to prepare and serve food directly to customers on the street. It can move to different locations to sell fresh and convenient meals. Garbage truck. A garbage truck is a specialized vehicle used to collect and transport waste from residential and commercial areas. It helps maintain environmental cleanliness and urban hygiene. Monster truck. A monster truck is a modified truck equipped with extremely large tires and a powerful engine for entertainment performances. It performs exciting stunts and drives over obstacles during shows and competitions. Delivery truck. A delivery truck is a commercial vehicle used to transport parcels and goods from distribution centers to customers. It ensures fast and reliable deliveries every day. Dump truck. A dump truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed to carry loose materials such as sand, soil, and gravel. It is equipped with a hydraulic bed that lifts to unload materials efficiently. Cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck is a construction vehicle used to transport and mix concrete during transit. It has a rotating drum that keeps the concrete from hardening before use. Sweeper truck. A sweeper truck is a municipal vehicle used to clean streets and remove dust and debris. It helps keep roads clean and safe for public use. Pickup truck. A pickup truck is a light-duty vehicle with an open cargo bed at the rear for carrying goods. It is commonly used for personal transportation and small business activities. Fire truck. A fire truck is an emergency vehicle used to extinguish fires and perform rescue operations. It is equipped with water pumps, hoses, and firefighting tools. Airport fire truck. An airport fire truck is a specialized emergency vehicle designed to respond quickly to aircraft accidents and onboard fires. It is equipped with high-capacity water and foam systems to control large fires effectively. Container truck. A container truck is a heavy transport vehicle used to carry standardized shipping containers between ports and warehouses. It plays a vital role in international trade and cargo transportation. Logging truck. A logging truck is a heavy-duty vehicle used to transport large logs from forests to processing facilities. It is designed with a reinforced frame to secure heavy timber safely. Recycling truck. A recycling truck is a specialized vehicle used to collect recyclable materials such as paper, plastic, and metal. It promotes environmental protection and sustainable resource management. Tanker truck. A tanker truck is a transport vehicle designed with a large tank to carry liquids such as fuel, water, or chemicals. It ensures that liquids are transported safely and securely. Box truck. A box truck is a cargo vehicle with a fully enclosed storage area to protect goods from weather and damage. It is commonly used for commercial deliveries and moving services. Flatbed truck. A flatbed truck is a transport vehicle with a flat and open cargo platform without sides or a roof. It is suitable for carrying oversized or heavy equipment. Snowplow truck. A snowplow truck is a vehicle equipped with a large blade at the front to remove snow from roads. It helps keep streets safe and accessible during winter weather conditions. Loader. Loader. Ambulance truck.
An ambulance truck is an emergency vehicle used to transport sick or injured people to medical facilities. It is equipped with medical equipment to provide immediate care during transport.